this is Z1, and this is the explanation for the YouTube video on the homework number 7, the exercise 11. So, this is the question 11. It is similar to the chapter 3, the one is like a drunk, but this time we have the data for the motion, for the moving distance. So we can see the data is the 160, 20, and then negative 43, and then 10, 270, and 8, negative 43, and 12. So use the turtle to draw the path taken by our drunk friend. So because it's a turtle module, so we import turtle here, and there we creating. So we need to create a turtle object. So we need the background and the task, like define the screen and the turtle, and after that we just moving. So we're just moving to some distance. So we pick up the task and then move task forward 60 distance, and then just put down the task. And then we're creating a path of a drunk. So for angle distance in this data, I said before, and then just turn around, turn left to the task for the angle, and then just move forward the distance. And after that, it's the last step. Just current position is to print the final heading was a turtle heading for this one, and then we can see the output. So the final heading was, there we go. It's like that. So let's run it again. Yep. So that is 344.0. So that's it.